of the day. I used my new Paparazzi Biju Blue that I shared in my recent video of the polishes I bought at CVS. I had this one and this one, and I actually did a video using these two on some glue-on nails, and it was a complete fail. So I took those off and just polished my little shorties here with these two colors. I might still post that video. I'm not sure. I'm going to edit it and see how it turns out. If you guys are interested in seeing it, leave a comment, but it did not come out how I wanted it to. I was very upset. But anyway, so I went ahead and polished my natural nails. And this is the iGLOW One Step Gel No UV Needed polish that I got from Dollar Tree. It's really pretty silver. And I did a daughter cure with that, and I used this which way does it go here? I used this Salon Perfect dotting tool, and I got this from Walmart a while back. It came with like this, and I think like a little nail brush. It has a big dotting side and a small one. You can see this is where I had put the silver polish at to dump the tool in. So yeah, this is how they turned out. I love the colors. They're so pretty. I've had it on for about 2 days now, so you may see a little bit of imperfections and a little bit of chipping, but turned out really cute. I really love the silver with the blue. It goes really good together, and I love this color blue. It's such a nice color. And yeah, so that's actually my nails of the week. I'm gonna try to wear them out for a few days and see how that goes. I used just a Such a Veet glossy top coat for my quick dry. This is my favorite, my go-to. I use this more than anything. I cannot run out of this. So that's it, you guys. Just wanted to show you guys my nails of the week.